और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
absolutely I can.
And if you are a graphic designer and if you are watching this video, stick to the end of the video because I am going to talk about 5 AI tools that can really help you with your designs, enhance your creativity and also make your designs look stunning. So guys, before starting the video, I just want you to know that you can attend also the workshop about AI and chat GPT. For that, the link is in the description and the rest of the details will be given ahead in the video. Let's start the video. The number 5 AI tool is Autodraw. If you want perfect quick sketching, then Autodraw is something that will do wonders for you. The Autodraw is an AI powered tool created by Google to make sketching easy and enjoyable for everyone. And if you are not sure what you want to create, it will convert those rough sketches to something meaningful. You just have to simply make a doodle and it gives suggestion feature, suggests something unique that you can add directly into your design. And then you can download the design and share it on different social media platforms. Some highlights of this app include its AI suggestion tool, download and share options, and advanced drawing tools. You can also change color, shape, or zoom in the design, enhancing your creative journey. It's free to use, even you can have access to Autodraw through any device. So the number 4 tool is Designs.ai. The only tool that every graphic designer should use is Designs.ai. It's an impressive online AI-based designing tool that generates efficient designs that will stand out even if you don't have clarity about the design you want. This will automatically generate thousands of designs variations for you in a couple of minutes. In addition to some of the key features, this amazing tool includes the ability to resize your designs for a variety of social media marketing channels with just one click. Its amazing font color layouts and a library of 170 plus million premium stocks images along with 10,000 graphic designs. You can choose a package from basic, pro and enterprise according to your needs. Along with this, by adding your brand information, you can easily create a logo and can convert text into voiceover in just seconds. So guys, if you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel that you want to really learn more about AI, chat GPT or MS Office with AI and chat GPT, you can attend our workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, for which the link is in the description. And I believe that this workshop would be really nice for you because this workshop is taught by the 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur and it would really help you to boost your growth, productivity and also your professional success. Let's continue the video. Number 3 is Attention Insight. If you are a designer and want to see how your design is going to perform once it's published, then I have some amazing news for you. Recently, an AI tool named Attention Insight was launched and lots of people are already in love with this. Attention Insight is an AI-powered tool with built-in advanced pre-launch analytics that will let you know how your design will perform before you publish with AI-generated tracking heat maps. It will help you understand what is in demand and what customer you are looking for. In short, it will predict if the ads, applications or landing pages will perform well in the market or not. Moreover, with 90 to 96% accuracy, it will be convenient for you to make modifications to your design, saving a lot of time. With its multiple features like heat maps percentage, attention and focus map, Attention Insight is capable of magnifying your decisions and making your skills. You can log in for free for 7 days and after that you can join monthly pricing packages suitable for you starting from 19 euros to $3.99. Number 2 tool is Alpaca. Are you looking for a tool that can provide a more realistic view of your project? Then you should give a try to Alpaca. It's an advanced and an innovative tool that will take your 2D designs and transform it into a 3D design. In other words, you can bring your sketches to real life using innovative features that include infinite variations, ideas, interpretation of depth, and perspective for fine quality 3D models. Moreover, it is best for designers and architects as it provides more accurate visualization of projects by animating their 2D sketches to 3D models. You can start with the reference images to guide the AI on what you want, and then you click on the output button and it will come up with the finest images for you. And number 1 is Fontjoy. Creating noticeable and impressive design needs both a good color and font pairing. If you are a beginner in the field of graphic designing and facing difficulty in choosing a pair of fonts in your design, just click on Fontjoy, that is a free AI tool. Fontjoy generates font combination that will make your design engaging and impactful. The highlights of this tool includes an amazing algorithm that finds the capability between two font styles. Moreover, the intelligence tool will examine the structure and refine fonts carefully. As this tool is free, you just need to visit the website. By using contrast bar, set the level of contrast you want in your font. And if you are satisfied with the pairing, click on lock and generate font pairing. That is it for this video, and these were the 5 AI tools that can help you boost your productivity, enhance your creativity and also your design. Really like the information given in this video, don't forget to leave a like. Also comment on the video if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And guys, if you want to attend the workshop, the link is in the description, and remember that is just available for 9 rupees, but that can really change your life. So don't forget to attend the workshop, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.